What is going on, beautiful people? It is me, your boy Gerard Akeem, and I am back with another video. And as you can see from the title, today I want to talk about my first year on YouTube and how much I made. The reason why I wanted to harp on making this video because I see a lot of people that are wanting to become content creators, wanting to become YouTubers, and keep asking me, is it too late? Is it too late? Too late? No, it's never too late to start. So I just want to show y'all a glimpse of basically what I made when I first started my YouTube channel in the first year. So I started my channel back in 2020. Can't believe it's been 2 years now since I have been on YouTube and still growing. We just reached 7,000 subscribers. And also just to be transparent that everybody doesn't grow as fast as somebody else. It takes time, but like I say, it's just being consistent and posting good quality content for your audience. So we're gonna go a deep dive into a little bit of the analytics. I'm gonna show you all real numbers and basically show you all what I actually made when I was on YouTube for my first year. Now, I decided to take it back to the good old days with recording this video on my iPhone, which where I started with my YouTube channel, I was recording on my iPhone. So I was like, you know what, let me just take it back a little bit and see, go back. Why not record my first year on YouTube as on the phone I was using when I started my YouTube video 2 years ago. So that tells you I ain't upgraded my phone what I need to do. But definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely stick through this entire video to the end so you guys will know how much I made the entire year, my first year on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get into these analytics. All right, so looking at my analytics here, I really thought I was monetized in July of 2020. I was not. So July 17, 2020 is when I made my I posted my very first YouTube video. I may insert a clip because when I look at like the quality back then, basically when I started my YouTube channel and what it looks like today, I'm like, oh my God, it's like my intro. It's just a lot of things that I've changed over the 2 years since I have been on YouTube. So I may insert a little clip right now to show you guys like basically where I started and how I progressed over the years, how I become better, how I basically, did a lot of trainings, a lot of YouTube videos on how to do this, how to edit, how to add thumbnails, how to add clicks, how to add effects, all that stuff that I learned on YouTube videos. So more to come. So July 17, 2020, I posted my very first YouTube video. It was basically about becoming alongside an agent. So if you're new here, my channel is about multiple streams of income, entrepreneurship. Everybody know my noted alongside an agent and all those type things, T-I-N-G-Z, my favorite word, type things. I need to put it on the shirt. And a train is about to come in the background, so I may have to stop this for a minute and pick it back up. Let me let them pass. All right, so the train about semi-pass, basically they're out of here. Let me lock my face really fast so the camera can follow me around. Boom, there we go. Let's lighten this up a little bit. Boom. Okay. Ooh, my skin looks good today. All right, so anyway, so to become monetized on YouTube, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, that may sound like a lot, but it's really not. Okay, let me say that. It's a lot, but then it's not. Okay, so I learned, I wish I knew this before when I started my channel, that sweet spot on videos that you want to reach is 8 minutes. So I would tell people when you're making videos, make sure your content is at least 8 minutes long, because when you do become monetized, 8-minute videos, you can add more ads. And basically more ads means more money. So to go ahead and put the cat out the bag. So that's how YouTubers, content creators, that's how we get paid with Google AdSense. So basically we get ads placed in our videos. So when basically people like you, when you're watching these videos, those ads, they come up, that's how we get paid. Especially if you click those ads, we still get paid as well. I also get asked a lot is, what about people who have the YouTube Premium membership? Do we still get paid for those when they view our videos as well? And the answer is yes, we do. YouTube still pays us, even though people that have the YouTube Premium subscription, they don't have to have ads in their videos. We still get paid on those because they're watching the videos in itself. They just don't see the ads, but YouTube still pay us for the content. So just to get that question out the way. So the month of, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the meats and potatoes because I'm a straight to it type of guy. I don't like to prolong my videos. All right, so October was my first month that I got a paycheck. So basically how YouTube works is you get paid a month after. So basically in the month of October, what I accumulated in October, I get paid out in November and vice versa. So like right now, this video, we're in the month of August. So whatever I make right now to the end of this month, I will get paid out next month. And generally it's around the 19th and the 20th. So you'll get an email, and I'll probably pop a screen what it looks like. You'll get an email saying that, hey, your Google AdSense payment has been sent to your whatever checking account, and it should be there. Now with my bank, for some reason, as soon as I get that email, literally it's already in my account. So some banks may be different, may show 2 to 3 business days, but I know for me, who I bank with, as soon as I see that email, I go check my account and it's in there, boom, boom, bam. So October 1st was my first month that I accumulated income. So let's go ahead and take a look. So going back to October 1st through the 31st, 2020, so this month I had 34,000 views, 3,000 hours of watch time, and I had just hit 1,200 subscribers. So in this month alone, I don't remember the exact date when I hit that number, but this month alone, I generated, as you can see right here, my estimated revenue, I generated $225.91. So that was basically what I made in the first month of being monetized on YouTube. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe I became monetized in like the middle of the month. So basically the day you get monetized and you start placing ads in your videos is the day you start accumulating ad revenue when your videos are being watched. So I tell people 8 minutes is the sweet spot, because as soon as you become monetized, you can go back into your old videos and you can add more ads. But I tell people you shouldn't add as many ads, because like I said, sometimes that can be a little bit, too much for your viewers. Excuse Boston, he does this every time I'm recording. If you don't know, I have a white boxer. That's the love of my life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as you're watching this. But so yeah, October 1st to 31st of 2020, I made $225.91. So let's go ahead and go to November 1st through the 30th. Let me go ahead and pull that up. So now we have November 1st through November 30th of 2020. So this month I had 23,000 views, 2,000 hours of watch time, and I had gained 793 subscribers. So I believe this is the month where I posted a video about the day in the life of being a loan signing agent, and that video basically kind of took off for my channel. All right, so I made, in the month of November, I made $571.87. When I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, that's a lot. And I feel like that month, I only posted like 4 to 5 videos. But then again, I was also using the 8-minute rule, where some of the videos that I saw were getting a lot of views. It was really like spiking up. YouTube was really pushing that video. I went in and added a couple more ads. So that basically helped me get to that $571.87. So yeah, the month of November, like I said, my second month being fully monetized on YouTube, I made $571.87. So yeah, I mean, at this point, I only had like, I want to say I was right at 2,000 subscribers. All right, so the month of December, so basically December 1st through December 31st of 2020, I got 22,000 views, 1,900 watch time, and I had gained additional 590 subscribers. So for the month of December, now December is one of those months where a lot of content creators can make a lot more money, because that's basically, it's the end of the year, it's the last month of the year, and a lot of companies that still have a lot of, I forgot how somebody explained it, but her name is Catherine Manning. I'll put her link to one of her videos in the description below. That's who I love, I idol her, and I follow her. But in the month of December, a lot of companies, they still have a marketing budget that they had set to spend for the year. So basically, they'll push out more money to push out more content. So that's why you see a lot of content creators in December, they do Vlogmas, because you can make a lot of money in Vlogmas. So I'm definitely thinking about doing Vlogmas again this year, so I need to set a schedule for that. But the month of December, I made $728.15. So like I said, this is what I accumulated in December, but I didn't get this money. This money didn't hit my bank account until January 19th to 20th of 2021. So let's go ahead and add all that up, because I'm not good with math, and I'm not about to pretend like I am. So in the month of October, it was $225.91. In the month of November, it was $571.87. And then in the month of December, I accumulated $728.15. So that means in the year of 2020, only being monetized for October, November, December, I made $1,525.93. And that's just being monetized in 3 months in the year of 2020, the first year when I started my YouTube video. So I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys, it's literally trying this again, just ran out of memory. I don't know. See, this is why I don't record on my phone. This is why I always record on my camera. So this is the camera that I currently use. So if you watch my videos, this is what I have been recording my content off ever since I got this last Christmas, I believe. So yeah, ever since last year I've been recording. I love this camera. It's a Canon G7X Mark III. I'll definitely put the link to this camera in the description below. But yeah, so back to what I was saying. So like I said, my first year I made $1,525.93. Like I said, that was only being monetized for 3 months. So I wanted to say, anybody can start a YouTube channel. Everybody has a different audience. Find something you're good at, something you want to talk about, and then just press record, make the content. It does not have to be picture perfect. It does not the content. You will, over time, you'll get better. You'll critique your craft. I promise you. Everybody doesn't start off picture perfect. You think they have it together overnight. It takes time. But definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know if you found it helpful. And until the next time, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.